Lalo ka mumu. My life forever. Follow me. You're tired. Mensa. Mensa. Hungry or Ricciao Pollafo della Olmalolo. Yeah, take some rest. Planting the taro. As you can see, it's almost done. The sun is getting up and it's getting hot. Yeah, getting some rest and continue for the next 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Plant some more and then go on, collect some coconut and then heading home. Yeah, enjoy the exercise. Pretty tired, but yeah, really happy, really enjoy it, and yeah, feeling good in the island.
It's on your time.